Thank you so much for stopping by and hanging out with me today. I really do appreciate it. So in today's video, we are going to unbox together the Colourpop Classified Mystery Box. I had shared with you guys on my channel, on my community tab, that they did a surprised mystery box. And I had shared with you guys and told you guys about it. They did only have one style of box this time. And it was $49.99 plus tax. I want to say by the time I'm filming this, it's no longer available. But if it is, I will definitely leave it linked down below for you guys. You are unable to use any coupons on this, unfortunately. But it's a very, very good deal. I believe it's supposed to be worth $100 and something. So let's go ahead and see what we got. Looks like it might be a Super Shock Shadow. You guys know Colourpop wraps all their stuff so nicely. Set that down there. Okay, this is Super Shock Shadow Ultra Glitter in Tassel. This is what it looks like. I almost feel like I have this shade. So let me take a look real quick. There it is there. I'm going to swatch mine for you guys. So this is going to go in a friend mail or giveaway. This is what it looks like. Just a shimmer sparkly white. Very nice. There it is. Very, very pretty. This is definitely one of those shades you can just throw on the lid and go. I wish it was a shade I already did not have, but that's okay. I knew going into this box that there was a possibility I was going to get duplicates. And so next thing is a Colourpop By the Bushel Lip Scrub. Looks like that. I don't have this. I think I have one lip scrub, and it's the one that's from the Powerpuff Girls. I got for like $1 or $2 at ULTA on sale in the duo. And I might just pass it to my daughter because I don't need that many lip scrubs. I gave her one or the other. I either gave her the scrub or the balm, and I kept one. I let her pick. But I can just pass that to her. This is what it looks like right there. Very big too. Just like strawberries. Very thick, very nice. Always glad to have lip scrubs, so that's nice. And also because I don't have that already. So that's a plus, okay. Oh, it looks like I got another lip scrub. This is the Coco Loco lip scrub. So just like that one, but in a different scent and different packaging. Packaging's the same, just different color packaging. This one's white, the other one was pink. Right there. Very nice. I heard a lot of good things about their lip scrubs. I have not tried them yet. Okay, the next two things that I see, which I know that I do have. These are the On the Mango palette. This is the little 4 quads that you guys recently saw me haul in my Ulta haul for giveaways and for myself. I have one for myself. I showed you guys these and shared these with you, so this will go in a friend mail or giveaway. And then they did also send me the Acai Baby, the purple one. I currently have these right over here on my side. These are mine. I have backups for friend mail giveaways, so now I have 2 more to add to that. And I kind of wish I hadn't purchased all of those because I got 2 more, so now I have quite a bit, but that's okay. The next thing I see in here, I actually wanted to pick up at Ulta, but I didn't. I held back, and I'm glad that I did. This is the 4th Ray So Radiant Brightening Eye Cream, Illuminating. It says it has turmeric and camu. This says it brightens, moisturizes, double duty eye cream, illuminating pearls to brighten with vitamin C. Works together to help combat the appearance of dark under eye circles. Over time, keeps eyes looking luminous and refreshed. So I was going to purchase this, like I said, and I decided not to, which I'm really, really glad that I didn't, because I can't remember the retail value, but I really wanted to try this. I tried their daily one, and I loved it, and it was so hydrating for my under eyes. But it looks like there's a big hole in there. I don't know. Next thing I see in here is the 4th Ray Beauty Later Hater Blemish stickers. You get 48. of those. And I have seen these on their website and I have wanted to try them. It says, say later to unwanted blemishes with these super cute stickers made with hydrocolloid technology and designed to protect against blemish picking, to reduce potential scarring. Use as needed for skin happy and smooth. Very, very nice. Let's see what they look like. Oh, these are super cute. So that is what they look like. Hearts, stars, and I guess another form of stars, but that's nice. Might give my daughter a sheet of those. See what she thinks. So great to have that. They did say it would be a mixture of makeup and skincare and other things. Okay, this is also another item I was going to pick up at Ulta, and I'm glad I didn't. This is a Fourth Ray Watermelon Face Polish, exfoliating and balancing in. And this says it has sugar to gently exfoliate and polish skin, watermelon seed oil, and poppy seeds to gently exfoliate, and then the watermelon seed oil, known to be rich in antioxidants, vitamin A and vitamin E, to combat free radicals and balance the complexion. Right there. I'm so glad that 2 of the products so far I was going to purchase at Ulta I got in this box. Next item I got is from the Fresh Kiss. This is a lip lacquer in Sidecar. That is what the packaging looks like. That is really pretty. It's pretty deep. I don't know if I want to swatch it because I might put it in a giveaway. I don't know that I would wear this color. It's just a little bit too deep for my liking. But that is what it looks like. So yeah, I think I'm going to not swatch it because I think I'm going to pass it. I do love their lip products. I did get a lot of them recently in a 80% haul that I did with them. So I'm going to save that for a possible friend mail or giveaway. The next thing I see in here is a flat kabuki brush. Always love getting brushes, and I do love their brushes. This is the F23. That's really nice. That will be great for foundation, for cream bronzer, just to kind of get like right in there. Very, very nice. Excited for this. I'll try to put the retail value of each item on the screen for you guys if I can. The next thing I see is a Colourpop stick. This is in Coffee Shop. Like, there's the shade there. So it's probably just like it's an eyeshadow stick, but I would probably use this like as a liner. Let's see. Oh, that's really creamy and really nice. This would be a great liner or to put on the top of the lash line just to kind of give it a little bit more depth and definition right there. Very nice. Very creamy. The next thing I see in here is the Colourpop Level Up Lengthening Mascara in black. I don't think I have this one. I do have, I think, the other mascara that Colourpop has. I had gotten those in previous mystery boxes, and I think this is their newest formula, so I'm excited to give this one a try. See how the wand looks. Okay, that's a really nice wand. It's pretty long and small. So it looks like it might work really nicely. I'm almost done with a mascara, and then I may consider trying this one. Next thing I see, 2 more things. This is the Fourth Ray Beauty Do It Hydrating Hyaluronic Mist with Hydration Booster. This has cucumber water and Ligon berry right there. And this is also another item I had considered picking up from Ulta, and I'm glad I didn't because I wanted to try it. It says this hydrating facial mist quenches skin with a refreshing hydration boost infused with hyaluronic acid, cucumber water, and Ligon berry to replenish thirsty, parched skin. Do It features a makeup-friendly microfine mist that will leave your skin feeling hydrated and refreshed. So there it is again. Let me show you what it looks like. Just a clear, pretty blue bottle. Clear product, so really, really nice. So there's 3 things I was going to pick up from Ulta, so that's great. Okay, and then the last item I do have already in my collection. Of course, I got a packing slip, and I got another star that says "You deserve a star." Very cute. So 15 items total were in this box. Blush It Like Me palette right there. That is what it looks like. I do have this. Let me grab mine. I think I've played in this. I don't know. Maybe not. I may have not played in it yet. It's a possibility. But it does have this really pretty, just velour packaging. Very, very nice. It's very weighty as well. I don't think I played in this as of yet. No, I think I did. I think I played in it once. But that is what it looks like. Super fallish vibes. Very, very beautiful, beautiful shades. I'll swatch a couple for you. I think I have played in this. This is Video Night. Very creamy and buttery right there. Let's do this pretty green. TLC. It comes off like taupey green right there. Very, very pretty. And then let's do a matte. Let's do this Girl Band. It's like a brownish purpley tone. Right there, look at that. How pretty that is. Very, very nice. So, I got another palette that I already had, which I wish didn't happen, but that's okay. Like I said, that will go in a giveaway most likely, or friend mail. It's just going to go in my giveaway bins that I have, because as you guys know, I do have a giveaway that's going to be coming up here soon. That is everything that I got in this Colourpop classified mystery box. Let me know if you guys got this box, if we were box twins, if you got something different than I got. I definitely would like to know that. So out of 15 products, I have 4 repeats right here, which will, like I said, go away in the giveaway bin. And then this is that French Kiss Lips. I don't have this, but again, it's just a little bit dark for my liking. Keeping 10 out of 15, that's not bad at all. I'm really excited for the skincare products and all of that. I got a lot of skincare in this one this time that I'm keeping. And actually, the only 2 makeup items I'm keeping out of all of it is the mascara and the pencil. So, I mean, it's not, I honestly don't need a lot more makeup. I would have liked to been able to keep more of it, but that's okay. I mean, it just happens. So I did get a lot more skincare, and that's okay. They are items that I have wanted to try. So guys, this is going to complete this video. If you did enjoy it, I'd love you to give me a thumbs up. And if you're not subscribed, of course, I would love you to subscribe if you'd like to watch more videos from me. This is it for today, friends, but I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.